Hi everyone, welcome to science class with Miss Nisa. Now we are going to talk about the sun, the moon and the earth. Now let's open your science book unit 21, page 114. Our topic today is about position of the sun. First, how does the sun move across the sky? Well, the position of the sun changes throughout the day. So when you go outside, start in the morning, you will find time by time, minute by minutes and hours, the position of the sun will change start when it rises until it sets. It happens because our earth or the earth moves around the sun. So that's why the position of the sun will change. Well, when things are in the sun, they form dark areas on the ground near them, and we call it as shadows. Okay, try to go outside and you get reflection from the sunlight. Because you block the sunlight, it will create the dark area on the ground near you, and we call it as shadows. And did you know? Because the position of the sun in the sky changes, automatically the shadows of a thing also change its size and position. So the positions with the pattern of the shadows will get influenced because of that. Here the example of shadows, and I believe you have ever seen this every day every time you get the reflection from sunlight. Next, this is the explanation about the position of the sun and the patterns of shadows. So the first one, when you wake up in the morning and you go outside, and you will find yourself with long shadows. How can this happen? It happens because the sun rises and is really low in the sky in the morning. Because the position of the sun is really low in the sky, and it will create the long shadows. And actually, when you pay attention, the shadows will extend. Extend means like point to the shadows to the west. So the direction of the shadows, it will extend or point to the west. Well, in the afternoon, when you go yourself in the afternoon and you get sunlight, you are going to find your short shadows. Alright, how can this happen? Well, because the sun rises higher in the sky, okay, the position of the sun becomes higher, and it will create the shadows become shorter. Well, especially when the sun is directly above us at noon, the things in the sun form short shadows. Or probably when the position of the sun above us, we are going to be hardly to find any shadows, and we are almost cannot find our shadows if the position of the sun really above us. And did you know, when you find at this time, the shadows will point to north or south, so it's somewhere between. So for finding it, I will explain it later. Next, about long shadows in the evening. So in the evening, it becomes longer again, just like in the morning, because the sun starts to set in the evening, and the shadows become longer, and the shadows will point to the direction to the east. So every time it will extend, or it will point the shadows into different direction. Here the explanation or the summarizing, or yes, the summary of the pattern of shadows. So the first one, when you wake up in the morning and you find yourself get sunlight, you can see your shadows become longer. Time by time, minute by minute, it becomes higher again and again, and it becomes shorter, especially when the position of the sun is above us. It's gonna be hardly to find your shadows because it really it becomes shorter. But when the sun sets in the evening, the position of the sun will change again, and it become lower in the sky, and the shadows become longer too in different direction. That's it about shadows. Well, actually, I will share a video that show the position of the sun and the pattern of shadows. But thank you so much for your attention. Hopefully, my explanation about the position of the sun and the pattern of shadows can really help you. See you in the next video. Bye.